Hey, I hear firmware is out. Am I gonna load it up? There's 6 improvements to the firmware that was just released. FPV Plus, something like that. Optimizing the autofocus that hardly ever hear anybody talking about. Of course, all the bugs and issues. But yet, they talk anything about the prompts of the DJI Mic 2, but they do something with the DJI Mic 2 for sure. We are now given an auto off never. They don't talk about anything else, about changing anything of the camera, or anything else. So am I going to do that update? So yeah, I just gotta think about what I want to do and make sure I got what I want with the Osmo Pocket 3. We always want to know what exactly is done with firmware, so we don't get, upset when we load it. We didn't ask for that. I don't want that. But I gotta wait and see if I really want to wait. And on that note, I'm out of here with the firmware.